Welcome back. Today we will discuss about function block FB. In a short, it's called FB. Earlier we have discussed about FC, that function. That function block, there is a difference. The difference are function has no memory, own memory, but function block has its own memory. Function needs a actual parameter assigned in formal parameter, but you can leave the formal parameter as empty in function block. Function block needs a instantaneous data block to store its data. So instantaneous data block used as a memory of function block. Let's see by adding a function fc and a function block. Then we will compare. So first I will take a function block. There is no function block, so it will take it as a fb1. Here I will give a name as motor fb. Okay, this is a symbolic name. Same way I will take a function and it will take fc2 because there is another function with fc1. So here I will write a motor fc. Okay, now first I will write a simple doll logic for that motor that will start. Okay, in earlier fc function video I have told that there is a two parameter. One is called formal parameter, another is called actual parameter. These are the formal parameter. If you give a input, suppose in a motor you have some, for doll start you have some input and output, and you have to declare the input here. So one input is ready, or you can write it as a availability, and that is boolean tag. Then you have to, I will write a simple logic, not the elaborated one. So simple doll start. Suppose motor is ready, then you give a command, start command, then you can give a stop command. Okay, now that are the input. Okay, now I will assign a output. You may have more input, but for discussion purpose I take only that 3 input to make the video smaller. Okay, and I have to assign a output, that is command. Okay, command to magnetic contactor. Okay, now here I will take this one is output, that is the command. Okay, then you have a input. This command will generate if your feeder or motor magnetic motor MCB is ready. Means here you have to write a ready input here, ready. Then if there is no stop command, then you can press the start, that will generate the output. So stop signal is ready. Sorry, here is start, not stop, that is start, this one. Okay, so motor is ready, there is no stop command, and if you press start, then power from this power rail to command, but when you release, the command will withdraw. So for latching the command, you can give a OR gate with that start. So here I will give the output as a input. Okay, now I will open the function block So here I will same way I will give a formal parameter ready as a boolean tag, then start as a boolean tag, stop as a boolean tag also. Okay, same way I will give the output as a command boolean tag, and here I will give the command that same way, just I will write same way. Okay, ready here, this is a stop signal ready, there is no stop command, so you can give a start command to generate the command to magnetic conductor. So when you release the start, you have to latch the command, so I will use that command to latching. This is for simple. Okay, now I will close it, open, and I will call that both block in main OB. So first I will call FC1 from here, just drag and drop to that network. So from here you can see that motor FC, it's asking for some variable here, that motor value. So this ready, start, stop, that are the formal parameter. So you have to assign some actual parameter to that formal parameter in FC. This is mandatory. You cannot make it empty. You cannot keep it as empty, because there is no own memory of that function. So you have to put, so I will put 100.0, 100 point, M 100.1 and M 100.2. Here I will write as M 100.3. Okay, now same way I will add a new network. Same way I will take a function block, means I will call the function block in network 2. See, there is no mandatory input for this function block, but it asking for, here you can see that 3 question mark, means it asking for some dB. This is for dB address, means for function block you have to assign a instantaneous data block. Okay, so I will just write a block that dB2. Okay, dB2, there is no dB2, means it asking that dB2 does not exist, so do you want to generate it? Yes, I want to generate that dB2, so it automatically generated. Now you can make it empty, or you can give it your actual parameter. So you can leave it, there is no error. Suppose you make a function block with 20 input for one motor, but in another motor maybe one input is not present there. So for function you have to put a dummy address or dummy tag, but for FB you can leave as it is. No dummy tag required, dummy variable required for FB, no variable. Okay, now here I will write M 101.0. Okay, now I will download, okay, and monitor. Now see, if you, here I will put that motor is ready, stop signal not Okay, stop signal not pressed means it is 1. Now if I give a command, it should generate. Why it is not generate? Go to call block monitor, it will open. Now monitor it. It is generate here, but it is not showing. It is not showing here. Okay. Okay, now it is showing actually. Maybe okay. Now if I make it 0, it is holding. It is holding. But earlier I have seen in function in TIA that is not working. Okay. Same way here ready bit is true. Stop signal, you cannot give any signal, but there is a another thing, that function has no initial value, but for function block for function block you can give a initial value. See that here we have given only one ready input, but stop signal, there is no stop signal. So that signal by default is 0, because we have here we have given the initial value as false, so it is false. Okay, but if you give stop signal by default as a true, true, save. Okay, download. Okay, db2 okay, it is reinitialize, because earlier the stop signal initial value was false, now we have changed to true, so db value also changed, so you have to reinitialize the db. Just click on that and give a enter, it will reinitialize and error will go away. Now download monitor. Now if you give a start command, suppose I will give a start command m100.1. Now if you give a command here and release 0, there should be 1, but it is not visible because there is no actual parameter, but you can see from the db here. So here you can see command is false, stop signal is true, actual value. Okay, now block is not found. Okay, call block monitor. Here you can see command is not generated, stop signal is false. Okay, stop signal is false. Oh. Block is not found. Okay, I will delete. I will download the to PLC again. Okay, now see, the stop signal is true. Now if I give a command to here, if I give a command that one is 1, give a command true, now I will release it to 0, there should be 1. Okay, output command is true. Here you can see output command is true. Also that formal parameter, here we have earlier initial value is 0, but we have give a actual parameter 101.0 and the value is now 1. If I delete this one and download, the the value of that formal parameter ready is kept as 1, as the last memory of that formal parameter is 1. So I will show by deleting this one, download. Okay, now see, there is no value showing because there is no actual parameter, but if you go to the here, you can see the ready signal is still 1, so it has its own memory. Okay, thank you.